Let me show you how to actually use Skool as an actual funnel. Like all of you guys maybe are thinking that Skool, yeah, we can just host there like communities, we can sell communities. But no, if you are running coaching business or if you are if you have some service-based business, you can still leverage Skool as your funnel and you can nurture the people right there super easily and then book a call from your Skool. So people who will actually jump on a call with you will be nurtured and ready to buy your stuff. Okay, so it isn't just a membership or membership type of business. Okay, you can host there your coaching and also the service and everything. Okay, I'm going to show you how to actually do it. So the first thing is that you actually don't need audience for that. Like you don't have to have large following on any of those social media platforms because they actually use automated outreach to funnel the members in. It will help you to have some content because more people will even join, but the main majority of part that will come into your funnel will be through automated outreach that I'm going to be showing to you how do we do that. So how is it actually working? First thing is that you need to create some free community on Skool. So you can just create it. It's like for the first 14 days it's free, but just create a free community where you will be funneling all of the people from social media. So you will just create some free community. All of the people, you will be funneling them into this community. In this community, you will nurture those people. You will provide them with some value, show them that you know what you are talking about. Maybe even like redistribute them to your YouTube or somewhere else where you even provide more value. And after they actually see you for a few days, maybe weeks, they are seeing what value you are giving to them for free. They are being more nurtured and more nurtured. They will eventually schedule up a call with you, or you will reach out to them through Skool and you will book a call with them. And then once they jump on a call, they are usually already sold because like they seen so many stuff from you, and that call is just about like that they want to join either your program or they want to buy from you anything what you are selling, because like if they get so many free value for free, they will buy something. So how do we actually funnel people into the community? We have right now like few hundred members right there. Isn't that much, but we are running it for 3-4 weeks something. But we haven't been even like posting like the whole volume that we are going to be like from next days. Okay, so how do we actually funnel people into the community? The thing is that you need just pick like some social media platform you want to use. I probably wouldn't use Skool right now, but all of these other social platforms are really good. Instagram is good, Twitter is amazing, and Facebook is also good. If you can make more accounts on LinkedIn, it's also great. But you just want to take it, do multiple accounts outreach. So if you don't know how to do that, you can check my other videos on how we send like 42,000 DMs on Instagram. How do we do that? We have a similar system on Facebook, similar system on Twitter, but on Twitter you can send even way more DMs. So the thing is that you will be sending out, the first thing you actually need is obviously like your targeting. You need to know exactly what people you are targeting and people you want to work with. Like this is the most important thing, because if you just funnel them some random people into a community, like what's the point? You want to sell to those people, and if those people don't have the budget or aren't qualified at all to work with you, then like why even are you funneling them in there? So the thing is, you need to reach out to specific people you want. And another thing for the qualifying is that you just don't accept everyone. Like I see so many people just accept everyone, and then their community, first thing is that their community is shit because there aren't like relevant people and the people that can actually talk to each other, because each one of them are at a different level. And another thing is that you can't even sell to majority of people in your community, so why do you even have that? And then some people will start scheduling a couple calls with you when they are unqualified. So just set it on private, ask them some questions and see if they are qualified or not. So like if you see that they are unqualified, so for example, if we go here and somebody is doing drop shipping, like I can really help someone who is doing drop shipping, like I just decline them. Like why would they be in my community? Like if what are you working on right now? None. If they don't do anything, I just decline them. So I like decline, I don't know, like 50% of people. I just decline them. Like if your only like business is that you are going to Skool, also like I don't want to work with you, so I won't accept you into my community. And this is the thing you must also learn. Don't accept everyone. And then if you once already like people that you want to work with are joining in, you will be accepting them. You will be posting some content that will help them with any problem you are solving. So we solve the problem people getting clients, getting qualified book calls and things like that. Maybe you are solving completely different problem, but you need to do the posts that are solving their problem, and then you can actually upsell to them. Another thing is in Classroom, you can upload there like some course. So we are working right now on a free course, and then you can do the paid course. So if we go here, you can see that once you funnel them into your free community, then they get to watch your free course. They will just see, you know, what you are talking about. They can see that you got some results, that you can actually help them. And then you have like paid course that is like larger, bigger. There is like everything they need to have like in order to set everything up. So for us, there is like whole funnel, how to set it up, like how to do automated outreach on every single one of those platforms, how to set up your Skool community, how to set up your emails, how to do content on all of those platforms, coaching calls, everything. There is everything included. So that will be in your main offer. So like if people, so you can just lock it, you know, like you can have some open course that they will have, and then you can have some paid course, and if they want to access it, you will then here have a link to actually for them to book a call with you. That's like the easiest thing you can do, and that's how you actually get them on a call. So the first thing is that you actually need to get the members in. That you will do through automated outreach on social media, also through content. I do some of the content myself, and we funnel a few people there, but main majority is always from outreach. Like if you already have some followers, it's easier, you know, you can easily funnel them there. But I'm talking right now to you people, like I don't know if you have like some following. If you don't have that much of the following, you just do outreach, because I see all of the other guys just teaching, just do content and get people inside. Outreach is also like same as effective if you're sending it in enough volume. So what we do, let's go on Twitter. I can show you too. So I have like many accounts there. Right now we are all doing all the outreach from 5, but soon it will be like 15, and I want to increase it like to 50, maybe even more. And this account is just doing automated outreach and sending this kind of DMs. Hey man, not trying to sell anything. We have this free community that agency owners, service coaches are there. We network and everything. In some messages, I just tell them that we have a free course and more things, and then I just send them the link. So I don't actually have to even answer their DM. You can see thank you and these things. Like you can just send it to them. Just set up all of your accounts to reach out. Have the same message, and they will just funnel on itself, so you don't have to do anything. So I've just bought this account, just like set it up in a way so it looks real, and then I just started the campaign, and it's sending like all of those DMs are sent automatically, and some of those people will just open it and join your community. Like that's what happens. Like there is some kind of conversion rate, and people, if it's valuable for the person that you send it to, they will join, you know. And if you do that in enough volume, let's say like if you are sending it from 10 accounts, 500 DMs per day from each account, then it's like 5,000. You contact 5,000 people every single day. Like there is no chance that nobody will actually join your community. If you go and ask on the street 500 people if they would join your community and tell them why they should join it, that it's actually benefiting them, somebody will join. Like even if it will be like 10, 20 people per day or something, still some of them will join. So if you outreach enough volume, you will just get people inside. And the beauty of this is, if you also want to build some kind of personal brand, or you are also doing content, then if you get enough people into the community, you can do the posts and actually like you can show it too. So for example, in some posts, I do the post, and for example this one, then I get people actually from my community to watch my YouTube. So I get more people on my YouTube, and people can see even more of my free content, and they will get nurtured even more. So that is what also help you. You can then funnel people from your community everywhere else. Okay, so that's the thing why you should actually use it. And then you can also nurture them, as I said, through YouTube. You can actually collect also emails, so you can send like some email campaigns, do the free course. All of those things will actually help you. And then you can also DM people in the community, you know, so you can just go check out the most relevant people in the community. Maybe you want to make some money today, then you will just go text like 50 to 100 people, have some conversation with them, schedule up a call, jump on a call, close them to your paid program, and that's it. Like it doesn't matter what you actually sell here. We are selling coaching, full paid course and everything. We are also like doing setups of automated outreach and more things, but it actually doesn't matter that much what you sell. Like it can be done with you, done for you. Like done with you is probably easiest, because you can just do it, also host everything on Skool. But if you have like some service, it doesn't matter. If you have some service, it's working same as well. You just sell different thing. It doesn't matter like that much what you sell. What matters the most like is how you actually sell it. And if you sell it in this way, I can guarantee you that you will get relevant people to actually book a call with you. Like if you just do outreach to a bunch of people and some of them will book a call with you. Yeah, like a lot of people will book a call with you if you send it in enough volume and you have actually good messaging and targeting. But they aren't like, people just don't know you if you just go through cold outreach on itself, you know. It's much harder to actually close them than on a call. If you do it in this way, people actually know you. They see your posts. They maybe saw more of your content and they see what you are talking about. They trust you more. So it's way more easier to actually sell them. Even like, maybe if you are like really good in sales, you can just go like do outreach and then like close them anyway. But if you if you aren't like the best at sales or like you just want to jump on calls with people that are actually already ready to buy, then this funnel is just the thing you should go for. Like if you want to learn more about it, you can join our free community, Cashflow Clan. We are doing, I will do like free course in the community like really soon, probably this week, on how to actually set it up, everything, how to actually get more members, how to automated outreach to get people in, and how to actually then convert the people and everything. So it will be really soon inside the community in the classroom section. So if you think that this is relevant for you, then you can join and see if you are a good fit for this community, and then I can accept you if yes. Okay. And this is basically how is it working. It isn't hard. You just take all the people, put them in your free community, then provide them with lots of free value, and then you just sell them. It's easy as that. And you are still like funneling more people inside the community. So maybe right now somebody didn't buy from you, but they are still in the community. They are still consuming your content. So maybe in a month or two from now, they will just message you and you can get a sale anyway. You know, that doesn't happen in cold outreach. Like nobody will message you like after a month or two because you didn't have any contact with them. They don't know you. So like this is the thing that will actually help you to book more qualified calls and get clients. Okay, so this is the funnel we are using, and you can just copy it if you want to know more about this. Join a free community, and that's for this video, and see you in the next one.